And I think this is something that you guys need to understand, or the older guys that hear this and go, oh, maybe I'm not doing that. So just looking at, I tried to put some of this down in thought, and, that sometimes can be a little hard for me to do. How many vendors do you think when they go to a facility manager, they talk about, yeah, we're safe, safety first?
Probably every one of them.
You hear that buzz line a lot. And if you don't hear it, the facility manager is going to say, hey, we have these safety protocols that we got to go through. I've even seen them go as far as you got to sit through like a 30-minute safety bill. So just saying safety, and even if you say it a lot, and even if you say it in big, bold letters, in my mind, I don't know if that moves the needle enough to really set you apart. I feel like I'm still like, look at the drone. Yeah. Look at what the drone can do. Oh yeah, it's safe. Yeah, we're going to get guys off of lifts. And I think we need to be much more deliberate. So I see the good, better, best. And I want us to listen to these real quick. So kind of where I was in the beginning, and I think a lot of the new guys are here, we use drones so it's safer. That's what we tell facility guys. And heck, I think I even do that sometimes now. Still, better. The approach can reduce lift exposure, reduce blocked access, reduce work at height time, and reduce disruption around tenants or employees. Now, that sounds like something that'd probably be in print.
Yeah. Probably wouldn't say that in conversation.
But still, it's just something about it. I don't know. What do you get from it when you hear that?
I mean, what I'm understanding is that you sound fancy.
Mm-hmm. It's very legalistic.
It's very legalistic, but you might not be acting fancy.
And in a way, if you can see what I'm saying, it almost sounds salesy.
Yeah, it does.
Just like you're selling safety.
It sounds political.
Sure. It sounds like you're covering your own butt. Absolutely. When it comes to OSHA.
It does.
All right. Now, this is the one I was looking at, that it's not just in what you say. It's kind of painting this picture. And this is one I really like. Here's our site plan. This is where people will be. This is where equipment will be. How we control the spray zone, how we handle access, and what gets documented before and after the job.
Yeah.
This seems so much more deliberate.
Absolutely.
And also,
because it includes pointing, it includes showing. You're not just telling them, you're showing them.
Exactly.
This is what we're doing. This is how we're doing it. This is how we're doing it better.
Exactly.
And we're going to document it so we can prove our point to you further.
So we're taking what we want to do with the drone.
Yeah.
Which is, I want to show you. Let me show you how cool this is. And we're really pointing it to the star of the show.
Yeah.
Which is safety.
Yeah.